Now we are done in here. You can just like update the frames. Okay, now we're done in here. So let's head over to channel ViewController. And in here, what you want to do is that you want to create a channel array. And you want to make it channel. Here, make sure you add the delegate, channel model delegate. And here, create another variable called model equals to channel model. Now inside here, we've already done it, so I guess you guys already know. Equal to self, and then model dot get channel. Now you want to call channel is ready, and in channel is ready you call self dot channel array is equal to model dot get channel. Sorry, not get channel, channel array. So this channel array is this channel array, this one. Now I don't know what, for some reason I have it with the capital C. I'm gonna need to change it everywhere elsewhere. That's it. Now let's head over our channel ViewController, and in here you need to change it like that. Now once you've done it, create a function called configure view, or let's just call it configure channel ViewController. Configure channel ViewController. And in this function, basically what we're going to do is that we're going to get the number of views. Number of views that text is equal to channel array. Since it only returns one channel, you want to get the number of views. Then you want to get the number of subscribers that text, and then channel array. Since it only returns only data for only one channel, you can just put 0. Number of videos label that text is equal to channel array dot number of videos. And then what else? This. Now the channel title label dot text is equal to channel array at 0, and then channel title. Then description text view, the description of the channel, that text is equal to channel array channel description. Now we have all these. Now we need to get for now we need to present this image view. I mean, we've already done it twice. I mean, at least 3 times. So just go, for example, in playlist video table ViewController, and here copy this. So you need to copy this till here. Copy this, so from URL string to here, for example in playlist table ViewController, and go back to channel ViewController and then paste it in here. Now here, of course, it's not channel array. That's going to be of course it's not playlist array at index path, but channel array. And maybe here we're going to put channel image URL. And in here, that's not the cell, but channel image view. So this gets the channel image view. Now we want to get the banner image. So just copy it and paste it again in here. And in here, make sure you put 1. Just change it so that it doesn't get confused. Make sure you put 1 1 1 like that. Request 1 1 everywhere, and here 1. So I guess everywhere is 1. Now here channel banner image view. Now if I've done everything fine, here make sure you put 1 also. Make sure you put 1 in here too. Now just call configure channel view controller in here. Let's run it and see. Okay, so there is an error in here. We need to add self here as well because we are inside a closure. Now let's run it. Now for some reason my simulator was not on because I had turned my computer off. So we need to wait a little bit. Now there is no way to access the channel in here. Oh, I didn't want to open Safari, sorry. Go back to Xcode, and in the storyboard, in main.storyboard, we need to, in main.storyboard, we need to connect this to here, make it a view controller, and then here let's just put a random custom item. Let's just put like not search but most recent, for example. Now let's run it. Now let's head over most recent. Okay, so I have the number of videos 831. I have the number of views, number of things, and here this is the channel description, and here that's the channel image view, if you guys remember. And then here I know why this appears because I didn't change it. I didn't change the, instead of, I know what happened. Don't worry guys, it's a little fix. So if you go back to Marquis Brownlee, you see that's the channel image view. Now go back to Xcode. When you open Xcode, go to the channel view controller. Okay, go to the channel view controller, and in here, look what I have done. I didn't change in here. Instead of channel image URL, it should be channel banner image URL. Now if you run it, also I want to change something in here. For example, I wanna put number of views this. So I want to use something like that in here as well. And in here I want to put number of subscribers. And in here I want to put number of videos, and the rest it's all good. Now let's run it. That wasn't hard to configure for the channel view, right? That wasn't hard. Now let's see. Go to the most recent for the channel. Here we go, guys. Now we have the this one. We have the channel. So we have the banner image. We have the channel image view. We have the name of the channel. We have the number of videos. We have the. We also have the description, and then we have the number of subscribers and the number of views. Now maybe we're going to change a little bit our UI. Now that description, I'm gonna put it at the very bottom. Sorry, I missed one thing. Okay, I missed one thing. I'm trying to locate where it is. Number of videos, number of views. Okay, that's down at the bottom in here. Now what I want to do is that I want to bring this one in here, and this one I want to bring it in here. Now that text view I want to bring it at the bottom in here. Like that. Now don't worry about this, guys. Just go there and press command and select these three, and then go to clear constraints. Now we can change. Now we can fix what's wrong. Let's fix it without further ado. And okay, so now here the constraints are just this, and height. Here the constraints are just this, and height. And here you can just put 9, 8, 9, 8. You can put the height if you want to. Okay, don't for this, do not put it this way. Make it to hug to here. Update constraints. Now you want to remove this like that and just re-put the 0 there. Here we go, guys. So now if we rerun it, it should be fine. And maybe here you want to change the type of fill. Maybe let's try to make it like aspect fill, or maybe it's not going to be, yeah, aspect fill, and see how it's going to look. Let's see. Go to most recent. Here we go, guys. So now it's better, right? This way you have your app, but it seems like here is bigger. Let's rearrange it too. Maybe this one, I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, and here I'm gonna make it like this, and just go to update constraints. Click there and update constraints as well. Now you want it to be there. This one you want it to be there. That's a good way, you know, when you do your I'm just kind of making the UI, and just you guys can make the UI however you want. For me, I'm just quickly prototyping my when I do the thing like that. Update constraints. Don't worry about this error, just update constraints. Everything should be fine. Now what's wrong in here? They want me to fix the misplacement. Okay. Now I should be fine. Aspect fill. Let's wait. Let me see. Okay guys, so now seems to be better, right? Seems to be better. Now you have the number of videos in here and everything, and